Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's me, Mythical Soldier. Anyway, today we are in a game, P-Swarm Simulator. I have not made any other videos because I just wanted to play. But anyway, I'm really good at the game. Let's go over what I have. So let's go to my hive over here. I bought an extra hive slot for nothing. Anyway, you see this music beat down here? I'm just going to tap it. It's a music beat, it's level 8, it's a legendary. You see these ones with like yellow outlines, like, see those yellows? Those are gifted, those are like ones with like stars, they're like special ones. Let's go see. Look. Oh, over here, Shivy. Right, legendary Shivy, yeah. Anyway, from the ticket shop, you know tickets are rare in this game, so I actually got 500 tickets and I got this photon beat. Look at him, he looks so cool. Oh no, stop running away from me. Right over here. Oh no, what? Stop running away from me. Oh, he gave me a haste. Anyway, so let's look at my quest menu. We've got, okay, let's go to, I don't know, so, wait, do we have some treats for my bees so we can like feed them? I'm trying to feed my photon bee to do mother's best quest. Anyway, let's just go feed photon bee, feed this boy. Yes, photon bee. Get in! Level 8! One more bee to level 8, which is my cool bee. My cool bee's too cool. He's too cool for school. Yeah, boy. So, what are we going to start off? Oh, hey, pro. His backwards is 3,483,594. At the top, you can see mine. I have 793,000. And I have 7,129,094 pollen. I mean, honey. So, you saw that like beam of light? That's a sprout. So where's the sprout? It's in the dandelion. Wait, what? I saw it a second ago. Like flew over here. Wait, what? Did it just disappear because no one was farming it? That's sad. Who used gumdrops? Those are gumdrops, like stuff. It's pink stuff. Anyway, he just wasted them like hell. Can I jump up here, please? Thank you. Oh, I thought those were mine. A vicious bee. You fight them for vicious bee spike. Once you have 250, which takes quite a long time, then you can get your own vicious bee. You basically tame it. I don't know how you tame it. It's by collecting it. I actually don't understand, but how many more minutes till my scorpions come back? Oh, 6 minutes. Are you kidding me? Hey, we're going to work on Blacklist quests. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Cloverfield. Cloverfield is this way. Oh, my spiders. Yeah. Why not? No, leave me that treat to me. No, I hate you so much. No, why? But let's go see. Do we have any, like, tickets so we can, like, spin? Look, I have 955 gumdrops. I'm saving them up for a gummy bee, which is 2,500. Grinding. 5,000 only. How much has a low sky got? Wait, how? 260. Wait, how much are they away from each other? Wait, they're asking people. Oh, about 200. Wait, that's not actually that long. You can just kill King Beetle Tunnel Bear. Quite good. If you can see like a little game thingy like in the top right corner, that's where my camera's supposed to be, but I don't want to show my camera. Anyway. Oh yeah, I said we're going to the Cloverfield, aren't we? Let's just go see how much this big fat snail has. I'm aiming for 100k, but anyway, keep on going. I don't know how long I can record this. Can I get up here? Oh yes. Okay, change of plans. Wait, do I have 5? Oh no, I have 4. No, so close. Anyway, want a little secret? Once you can access this place. Oh no, I got stuck there. Go up behind this. It might not be that. You see that ant? Yeah, there. Right above me. Yeah. So basically that's free. That's just an ant pass for the ant challenge. If you have 20 bees, you can go in there. But you can actually go in there without having 20 bees. I actually got a silver ant. If you like, you can actually like do this, boy. Or you can go on top of the hives. You see this blue path over there? Just walk along it. And then you drop down. You may not be able to get free ant pass, but there's a code, which I'm not going to say. But this is where you get your gummy beef for 2,500. I think what we're just going to do is one hour challenge and then end off this video. Let's see. Wait, what was my high score last time? I was 2 away from a golden amulet. No, I still have this stupid silver one, which is actually quite decent. 58 conversion rate, plus 1 critical chance, plus 9% red pollen, plus 9% blue pollen. Well, let's go in. Let's start our engine. I was going to say 1, 2, 3, I forgot to. No. Why? Oh yes. I completed run so quickly. Oh yeah, I need to defeat Army ants like these ants in fact. They'll say Army ant for Panda Bear, which will round 2 already? Oh, this is cheap. Spicing up. It's like the cherry on top of a cake. This is nasty. Yeah, let's go. Oh, round 2. Like every time I oh no, why? Oh, are you kidding me? Plus 100%. I already have it on me. Oh no, it's a big boy. He's gonna get crushed by my bees. But I can't just like stand still and just AFK, just kill these people. Then there's lawnmowers later. Oh yes, that's my photon bees ability. Yeah. Different with stuff. That's why those like grey things are there. And then you just kill you like 3 shots. How many army ants have I actually got down? What's my last? Oh, it's Mother Bear. Just one more. So hard. Why? But Mother Bear's quests are just so hard. They're almost like impossible. Wait, how did I not collect that photon ability? Anyway, I need 9 more. Which is going to take a while. Oh no, I have not got a lot of health. What I sometimes do is like, I try and regen health. But no, that's not what. Weird. I don't know why I'm shouting so much, but anyway. I don't know if this is too loud or too quiet. What are the chances that's going to land on me? Anyway, I'm going to keep odds just because you can always pause the video and see what I got if I wanted to get the other one. Anyway, to end off this video, we're going to feed my Colby some stuff. And we're going to royal jelly transform this stupid rascal. Oh, I hate to be okay. I gotta give the days to be anyway. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I don't even know what you guys learned, but well, I needed like a cool saying. Even though this is my first ever video, which I have not recorded, like me as a noob, but I need like a cool saying. Stay mythical. Always stay. Oh look, wait. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, like I already said, and don't forget to be a mythicalanian. I don't know. Don't forget to be a mythicalanian. Wait, if there's a sweet vicious bee, I'll obviously be doing off-camera grinding. I don't think there's any spider field. If there's like someone in there, they probably will realize. If it's not here, then I'm just going to end off the video. Oh yeah, let's go defeat my wealth, to be honest. Really quick. Oh, my photo was spinning on. I was like, what's that? What are the chances it's going to be in the air? Oh no, they're not. Okay, you know what? 1 oil, that's fine. Oh yes, 1 ticket. Oh yes, that's true. Anyway, this is going to wrap up today's video. And don't forget to be mythical. Good.